I take no responsibility for this whatsoever. I'm not a qualified plumber at all. My solar panels have burst after going through -1, -2 degrees the other night. They're not really designed to cope with that sort of pressure. The frost valves just simply could not cope with the amount of pressure. My panels are just over 4 years old. As you can see, they don't really last. Okay, now unless you're a qualified plumber, I would not attempt this at all. Me being a bit of a handyman, I am very game. Now I've disconnected my solar panel system up there. The solar panels up on the roof, they're basically burst because they froze and the water expanded when it became ice and split the panels. As I said, they're not even, they're actually just over 4 years old, so I really don't recommend them at all in any shape or form. Now what I did here was I just bought an elbow fitting, poly pipe, another fitting, a pipe cutter, and that cost me less than 35 bucks. Originally there was a pipe from here coming out there that went into here, so that was the return. That was coming from you can see there, solar return. It was coming from the roof. This one here, this pipe down here, was feeding that pipe, which was going all the way up to the solar panel. So what it does, the sun heats your water, brings it down, brings it to the desired temperature with the instantaneous hot water system, and keeps your water warm. But like I said, in -0 degrees, anything under, I really don't recommend for these hot water solar panels. There's new systems out there using compressors and stuff, which I think are much better and more energy efficient than these old dodgy old systems, which I'm not very fond of. And I'm not having to go at the brand, I just don't like the system, and I just don't think they can cope with minus freezing temperatures. But yeah, my bypass has worked. I'm getting hot water in the house. It's a weekend. I'm not going to call a plumber or insurance to come out and fix it. This is just a temporary measure to keep it going. I wouldn't suggest saying that this will work forever, but I would definitely give it a go if you need hot water emergency and you haven't got the cash for the plumber straight away. Give or take, if you're risky like me, you'll take a risk. Otherwise, play it safe and get a plumber. Now we have hot water.